Namaste, I am Jane Dr. Priyanka. Today I will discuss about layering. What is layering? It is a technique of propagation in which a portion of plant is forced to produce adventitious roots while it still remains attached to mother plant. In this process, a single portion of plant constitutes roots and shoot. Upon emergence of root and shoot is separated from mother plant and survive in nursery for some time and then planted in the field. Type of layering. Simple layering. In this method, the ground touching portion of plants and sucker emerging along with main stem of the plant are used for layering. Generally, 1 year old shoot is used for layering. The shoot is bent downward in the soil using bag and nails and tied with the help of the rope, make it stayed in the position. The ground touching portion is wounded in about 4 to 5 months. The root emerges out. It is then separated from mother plant by giving 2 to 3 cuts in installment, kawawa, and most commonly used guava and can be propagated through this technique. And this simple technique, इसके अंदर क्या करते हैं, ब्रांचेस है उसको पुट डाउन करते हैं और जमीन के अंदर सोil के अंदर दबा देते हैं और एक स्टिक बांध देते हैं. सिंपल मेथड है. And second one is serpentine and compound layering. Covering the branches of plant at their node with soil throughout its length by alternate exposing of internodal length of shoot is termed as compound layering. It is practiced in plants like sunflax and muscadine grape. Griddling the internode space also gives better result. A circular ring is bark measuring 2.5 to 4 centimeters size is removed. Rooting hormone can be applied over it and then it is covered with soil and bud exposed to air give rise to shoot and portion of shoot covered in the soil give rise to root. When growth rejection take place in the buried portion of the shoot is detached and planted in nursery. When adequate growth is there, the plant is planted in the field. तो serpentine में तुम समझ गए होंगे इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो शाखाएं हैं उसमें ग्रीडिंग कर देते हैं, चारों तरफ से बाल उतार देते हैं 2.5 से 4 सेंटीमीटर साइज की और फिर उसको आईबीए से ट्रीटेड करके सोइल के अंदर दबा देते हैं और मिट्टी से बूड़ देते हैं और फिर बाद के अंदर यह आगे आता रहता है. फिर नेक्स्ट है माउंट लेयरिंग एंड स्टूलिंग. This type of layering is practiced in plant in which the branches are very firm and mending is difficult. The mound layering the plant is pruned several at 2.5 centimeter above ground. Level before the start of new growth as a result may be shoot emerge out from the base of the plant. When the shoot become little sturdy, it is brittle at the base. Rooting hormone is applied if needed and it is covered with the soil to a height of about 15 to 20 centimeter. And depending upon ages of rooting and root emergence out is about 3 to 4 months. After rooting, the shoot is separated from other plants and planted in the nursery. It is practiced in plants like guava, apple, pear and gooseberry. इसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, माउंट लेयरिंग के अंदर मिट्टी का जो स्टेम के पास में मिट्टी का ढेर लगा देते हैं और 3-4 मंथ बाद के अंदर से ऑटोमेटिक शाखाएं सकस निकलने देते हैं और इस मदर प्लांट से उसको डिटेच करके एक न्यू प्लांट के रूप में लगा देते हैं. फिर आता है ट्रेंच लेयरिंग. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर प्रोपगेशन ऑफ एप्पल, पीयर एंड चेरी. In this method, the branch of the plant is bent downward in a horizontal position in a shallow trench. When the shoot develop the base of covered with 5 to 10 centimeter layer of soil, covering the shoot with soil give irrigation effect is help of rooting. The rooting layer is separated from mother plant and planted in nursery. Trench layering successfully woody species which are not easy propagated through stooling. ट्रेंच में आके फिल करते हैं. टिप लेयरिंग. Tip layering is a natural method of reproduction of blackberry and raspberry. In this plant, rooting takes place near the tip of the current season growth. The shoot tip recurves upward to produce band in the stem from which root develop and The top of the plant is layered by making a hole 2 to 5 centimeter below the soil, and the tip root out of produced root and rooted tip is separated from plant along the old plant. And again, air layering is very important, also known as a Chinese layering, pot layering, and marcotage and gutti. Pot layering बोलते हैं इसको. For this purpose of air layering, 1 year old and previous season's root of 1 inch thickness is selected, and about 5 to 7 centimeter away from the base of selected and greater 2.5 to 3 centimeter size. By removing the bark is prepared, and the griddle portion of the shoot is snapped using gunny bag and with rear side of bread. This process helps to remove of flowing and ultimately prevent the formation of bark and griddle portion. The griddle portion is then covered using moist sphagnous moss and grass and covering with moss grass, retain better moisture at the point of air layering. This griddle portion is now wrapped using transparent polythene tape and use of hand tape and tie air tightly. And depending upon is the success rooting appearance is about 2 to 3 months, and when root emergence is there and it becomes visible from the transparent warped tape, and the layer shoot is separated from mother plant, giving 2 to 3 cut in installment. The layered plant are planted in nursery and their partial shade may help frequent watering is provided and high humidity is maintained. Usually air layering is practiced in the month of July. August, air layering is practiced in lychee, lime and jackfruits. Thank you.